Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to join the Donut SMP Discord server and link your game account. So open your Discord application or go to discord.com, log into your specific account, and on the left-hand sidebar, you need to scroll down, click on this plus icon that is indicating add a server. Select join a server option, and in the invite link section, you need to go ahead and type in Donut SMP. Then click on Join Server, which is highlighted in blue color. Type in Donut SMP, click on Join Server. Once you're joined, you'll see the Donut SMP server. You can click on Complete at the top of the interface. Read and agree to the server rules. Check this box, click on Submit. And in the left-hand sidebar of the Donut SMP Discord server, find and click on the Verify Channel option. It is in the General section, so go ahead, click on Verify. So first, you need to go to the commands channel, type in /link, and you need to get your code from the Donut SMP bot. After that, you need to type your code in the Donut SMP chat. Then you need to go in the game and type in this code here, and you'll be done. You should receive a confirmation message in the Donut SMP server indicating that your account is verified. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.